When I come in, I'll give you a shot.
Couple of rows. HM1000s. X, got the chassis one here. Nice rifle. In trigger safety catch. Side lever. It's not actually a shrouded barrel, I don't think. I think it's just got a carbon fibre liner over the top of it to give it rigidity. Adjustable stock as per usual now on these, so we can raise that up and down. Butt pad moves up and down, and you can collapse the stock or lengthen it. AR-15 type grip. I must admit, I find the grip on this one is a little bit, I mean, I've not got massive hands, but that's quite a small pistol grip. I think the first thing I'd do if I had this rifle was probably swap that for something a bit more substantial. It seems quite small. Nice M-lock chassis on it, but it's got Picatinny rails on it as well on the bottom, so you can put your bipod on it. Fully adjustable trigger, and these obviously are based on the Theoben actions. Picatinny rail on the top. Nice rifle. Foster fitting on the back. On the little gauge. Fully regulated. Carbon fibre bottle. Yeah, nice. And then we've got the woodstock version. Laminate. So, raisable cheek piece. Adjustable butt pad. Checkering on the pistol grip. Checkering on the fore end. But apart from that, everything else is exactly the same. And again, another nice rifle. I must admit, a little bit slab-sided on the sides of these, a bit lacking in shape really. But they do have underneath. They have got attachments for putting like an M-lock attachment underneath, so you can put a rail underneath it. Really accurate, these things are supposed to be, really accurate. Yeah, nice those. These are in, obviously in Field Sports Equip in Rill. What did you say the prices were again?
Chassis ones 1999 and the laminates are 2199.
Right, so you got 1999 on the chassis rifle and 2199 on the laminate one.
They come in like green, red, blue, and like a black, I think.
All made in America. Yeah, nice rifles, especially the chassis one. I must admit, I do like the chassis one. That's nice. Tidy.